In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1password to Chrome extension. We'll walk through the entire process from finding the official 1password site to confirming the extension is installed in Google Chrome, and I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, open Google Chrome and search for 1password, type the name into the address bar or your preferred search engine, and look for the official 1password website. Make sure the result clearly indicates the official brand before you click, so you know you're downloading from a trusted source. Once you're on the 1password site, sign into your account. This ensures the site recognizes you and can quickly connect the extension to your existing vaults after it's installed. Use your regular login method and keep any recovery details private. If you use 1password for work, choose the correct account so the extension will pull in the right data later. After you're signed in, locate the option that says Get 1password Browser Extension. It's typically found on the Downloads or Apps page or linked from the main navigation. You're looking for the version that's specifically designed for web browsers. Select the one for Chrome so you're taken to the correct download path. Next, click Get It Now. This button starts the handoff from the 1password site to the Chrome Web Store. A new tab will open that shows the 1password extension listing. Before you proceed, take a second to verify you're on the legitimate listing with the official developer and recognizable branding. On the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will display a small confirmation banner describing the permissions the extension needs to function, such as reading and filling passwords on the sites you visit. These permissions are necessary for autofill and saving new logins to work. When the Chrome prompt appears, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. You'll see a brief notification confirming it's been added. The 1password icon will appear near the top right of your browser, and the extension will be ready the next time you browse to a site where you've saved credentials. That's it. You searched for 1password, signed in, opened the browser extension page, selected Get It Now, added it to Chrome, and confirmed the installation. If the Add to Chrome button is unavailable, make sure you're using Google Chrome and that you're allowed to install extensions on this device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, safer sign-in experience with 1password in Chrome.